if there are times when your eyes are red, or you've been crying a lot, or let's say you have a long night of working by the computer and you need something to refresh your eyes, the Lumify eye drops are wonderful. It's like a bleach for your eyes. It does work, it will not irritate, but you know what? It does the job. No, they're not the cheapest one, but most of the time you can find coupons, so look into it. But I went through many of those and they are worth buying, and already using another bottle. Since it's winter, we don't really look into our feet, I should say we don't really see our feet too often, and most of the time we are forgetting about them. But you still want to take care of them. Like this is a foot cream with the AHA. So what it does, if you have, I'm not going to say a stubborn skin, but the bottom of your feet is going to become kind of rough, you want to use something. So you can easily use, let's say, a body butter and you'll be fine. But after a while, it's the same like with face. The skin is gonna be there, or let's say all the layers is gonna stack on top of each other. That's why you want to use the acids to take the layers off. So something like this with AHH, or sorry, with acids, it's good. Also, there is a nice product from Soap and Glory. It comes in a huge, big, pink tube. And you know what? It's wonderful. It works like pedicure. But yeah, this one was nice, and I think I still have few tubes left of it. I get my usual product, which is the Sensodyne toothpaste. I value my teeth, so that's what I'm using. We're talking about feet and teeth. Now we're gonna talk about hands. That's the Eucerin Advanced Repair Ceramide Moisturizing and Rich Light Feel Hand Cream. Yes, it does hydrate, but it will not leave the greasy film. Now, it depends how much you're gonna apply it. If you're gonna take a small drop and walk around the house, you'll be fine. You will not be leaving that nasty, greasy film where you cannot touch anything and everything slips. No, this one was nice. I didn't mind it. Most of the time, I took a big chunk of it, or I should say, I took more than I should, apply on my hands, and then put my cotton gloves over it. So in that case, my hands is gonna be more softened. Next one I'm gonna start with the Hado Labo Hydrating Serum, which that's the American version, I should say the American box. I do like it. It has different hyaluronic acids version plus a small dose of retinol, so you can easily use it during the day or night. Now, because it's such a big container, it's 1.7 ounce or 50 ml, it's gonna last you for a while. Usually you get it only 1 ounce. This is 1.7. So you know what? Give it a try. You cannot really go wrong with it. Next one is one of the classic, the Advanced Night Repair by Estee Lauder. That's their night serum, which repair your skin while you sleep. It's been on the market for, oh, it's like 30 years, maybe 35. So yeah, that was the first serum which came up. It was having many patents, and once they ran out, they changed the formula. I should say they improved the formula. But in the meantime, a lot of other brands, they come up with their serums. But because I use this for many years, I do like it, and I enjoy it. And it works, I should say, it helps hydrate your skin. Also during the summer when I'm getting sunburn, it does shorten the time of my skin to regenerate, or I should say to get back to normal. But yes, I do like it, and it's a nice plumping hydrating hydrating plumping product, which is worth recommending. In order to match our blue friend over there, I have a small Hydro Boost from Neutrogena. It's a small size. I already went through few tubes of it, and I do like it. That's their regular version. It's their water gel. It comes with hyaluronic acid, so it's really great for hydration. What I like to do when I feel that my skin is really dry, I'm gonna reapply it every few hours. There are two versions, this one and one for extra dry skin, which doesn't have any scent. But yes, I do like it, and it's a good moisturizer. Next one is the Pixi Glow Tonic in a pads. So that's their glow tonic to go with 5% glycolic acid and aloe vera. Glycolic acid It's a AHA, I should say alpha hydroxy acids. So in case if you don't want to manually exfoliate your face or use anything with the granules, this it's a better version because you just wipe it on your face and you let the product work. Now, I already went through few tubes of it and I do like it. It's perfect for travel. And you know what? If you never use glycolic acid, this is a nice to start because it's a low dosage. But yes, I do recommend, and for sure I'm gonna repurchase. Okay, so those were the pads, and here I have the manual version. That's the Real Chemistry. Come on. Luminous 3-minute peel. So this one comes with the little granules inside. So if you're familiar with the microdermabrasion, which has the If you're familiar with the microdermabrasion, this one is a little bit similar. So the granules are more harsh but smaller than in usual face peel. But if you like the feeling of physically exfoliating your face, you can give this one a try, but be careful because you don't want to use it for too long to don't hurt and destroy your skin. Next item is the vitamin C from Sweet Chef. This one was in one of the Target sets. The thing which annoys me the most was the little pipette, and because it was a gel formula, this little container lasts me for a little bit. The formula of the product was a jelly-like, so it lasts me for a little bit. No, I will not repurchase because I don't know what's the percentage of vitamin C inside, and no, I cannot stand the pipette. But if you never try vitamin C, I will say you can maybe give a try because I guarantee it's a low dosage. Or let's say maybe if you're in a budget and you are like in between like say you finish one bottle but you cannot afford to repurchase, let's say that $60 serum, then yeah, you can just put this on, but otherwise no, I will not rebuy it. Next item is the perfume by Donna Cara. That's their DKNY, or should I say the green apple. I do like the fragrance. It smells like the actual green apple. If you are into those delicious fruity smells, maybe not fruity, but if you like something different but also tasty, this is this one is interesting to look into. But I will say if you are in the department store or Ulta, try the tester first because fragrance smells different on every single person because of our chemistry. Now, the last few items are the makeup related items. So, I'm gonna start with the brow product. So I have the brow styler from Almond and brow stylist from L'Oreal. I'm gonna show you the brush so we can see the difference. So that's the Almond and this is the L'Oreal. I prefer the L'Oreal because the brush, it's way shorter. Okay, yeah, so let's say the Almond, it's twice the length of the L'Oreal, and that's the reason why I didn't like it, because when I was putting on my brows, the gel ended up everywhere. I didn't have too much control. There, with the L'Oreal, I can see where I'm putting the gel and I have the control. So from those two items, I prefer the L'Oreal more than the Almond. Okay, so from those two items, I prefer the L'Oreal, and then the Almond, yeah, it's gonna go to the trash, and now I will not repurchase. The next item, okay, we'll talk about this one. The next item is the concealer from Maybelline. That was their Lumi. I think was the Lumi Dream. Yeah, it was their Dream Lumi. Unfortunately, this one didn't do anything for me. And if you can see, I still have their product left. And you know what? I try it. I try it because I did enjoy the Lift. I know it was L'Oreal Lift something concealer from L'Oreal. Was coming in a similar package with the brush. That's the reason why I bought this one. But this didn't do anything. It didn't give me any color. This one didn't do anything for me. So yes, because of it, it's gonna end up in the trash as well. The last item is the Estee Lauder Little Black Primer. If you've been with me for a little bit, You know, I went through many of those. So this is a primer which you apply it before you put your actual mascara or after. What it does, once you're gonna curl your lashes, it's gonna keep the curl. Also, at the end, you can apply it afterwards so then your mascara will not smear. And if you can see, the actual product is black. So on lazy days, I use this instead of the mascara. And yes, I do like it. I went through many of those. And yeah, for sure I'm gonna repurchase. By the way, Estee Lauder is gonna be having free gifts soon. So why not? Alright, so that's all what I have for you. And I see you next time. Bye.